Hello everyone! Wow! Huawei has finally started to roll out the latest April 2022 HarmonyOS security update, and the first device to install this patch is the flagship Huawei P50 Pro. This update is rolling out in China as HarmonyOS is limited to the home ground. According to the information, Huawei P50 Pro April 2022 software update is rolling out with HarmonyOS build version 2.0.0.246. Therefore, the corresponding device owners need their smartphone running on HarmonyOS version 2.0.0.245. On the other hand, the old device of HarmonyOS 3.0 have started circulating through the online platforms. It was reported that HarmonyOS 3.0 beta testing will start somewhere in May, followed by stable release in September. So, there is a possibility that Huawei P50 Pro will get the ticket in the first batch to test and install the HarmonyOS 3.0 in the Chinese market. In the meantime, you can focus on the latest HarmonyOS update for the better user experience. That's it for now. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, leave your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.